Today we will talk about top 5 network marketing companies. Hoping to invest in a top MLM company in 2023 and 2024? Interested in making an unlimited income from the comfort and safety of your home, or from anywhere on the road? Sick of the 9-5 grind with no way of getting ahead? Not interested in heading back to the office or work site with the rest of the sheep? Are you curious about earning multiple revenue streams and passive income while you sleep or vacation? Ready to finally take the reins of your career and be your own boss? Want to get started with the top network marketing business to make your mark on the world? Join this new MLM opportunity. If any of these important questions resonate with your entrepreneurial spirit or lean startup lifestyle, it may be time to join the world of network marketing and direct selling. MLM is an exciting business model that works well, despite its sometimes negative reputation. A lot of MLMs get a bad reputation because there are many distributors and reps that fail to make a profit, with some of them even losing money on their multi-level marketing investment. Winners in MLM never complain, but losers in network marketing sure do. Successful individuals can live the lean startup lifestyle and make major money with multi-level marketing no matter the obstacles in their way. They find a way or make a way in 2023, and they will in 2024. If opportunity doesn't knock, these MLM experts will build their own door and window. With this guide, you will learn about the top MLM companies of 2023. That way, you won't feel lost and have a definite idea of where to start when seeking the best network marketing company globally. While some aspiring network marketers want to join the newest MLM companies, others want to join the highest earning and most successful MLMs in the industry on a global scale. Maximizing MLM money-making. MLM, multi-level marketing, companies are great business outlets if you want a good lean startup platform for selling premium products. It is because MLM companies give you the means of earning through product sales and getting other people to do the same, building your downline. This diversified revenue stream, including passive income, is enviable for any business professional or entrepreneur. An MLM is also the ultimate lean startup because the costs are incredibly low, so you can easily bootstrap your first few months or years in business. But if you have no experience in the multi-level marketing field, you won't know the best MLM companies around. There are literally thousands of MLM businesses to choose from, and not all network marketing companies are created equal. Crucial criteria must be examined to understand the difference between a top MLM company and a pyramid scheme or Ponzi scam. Picking the right MLM business could mean the difference between losing money and becoming a millionaire after several years. Don't worry, no pressure. Don't feel hopeless yet with the oftentimes overwhelming selection of top MLM companies available around the world. With thousands of network marketing businesses out there, finding the top company to join can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. That is why we created this top MLM companies guide around the world for aspiring network marketers. Do you have what it takes to launch a successful MLM business for epic earnings in 2024? 1. Live Good. The MLM company Live Good has just launched to take the industry by storm in 2023. Live Good MLM sells products that help you live good, feel good, and earn money. They have a proprietary line of wellness products such as shakes, coffees, teas, and CBD oils. And while their offerings are premium quality, their prices don't break the bank. This makes it easier to join this direct selling company, build your downline, sell more products, and avoid attrition. Their best products and memberships cost only a fraction of what their network marketing competitors charge. With spillover, members can potentially earn extra money over time without having to personally recruit members. Sign up for Live Good today. Learn more here. Watch the 6-minute video to see what is unique and powerful about the new Live Good opportunity. With Live Good, you can indeed live good by earning up to $2,047.50 per month without having to recruit new members. Join Mike Shemer's growing Best Business Builders team today so you can live good with increased wealth and health. 2. Amway. That is correct, Amway is still a giant MLM organization. Amway is still one of the biggest MLM companies in the world, and it is also the oldest and most stable. After all, Amway is the largest direct-selling MLM company globally with over $6 billion in annual sales. They make and distribute products related to beauty, personal care, nutrition, and home goods. Over 100 countries sell this company's products using their Amway Independent Business Owners, IBOs. They hold over 800 patents and spent $300 million on new R&D facilities across both Americas recently. That is hard for any new MLM company to beat. They also recently expanded by 1 million square feet in their California, Michigan, and Washington plants. Amway doesn't always make a lot of news since it has been around forever, but it is a safe bet for a successful MLM business model. Amway will be around in 2024 and thriving long after that, which you can't say about many upstart MLMs. 3. doTERRA. The top MLM company doTERRA sells essential oil products, as well as supplements and personal care products. This MLM company gives you the tools to achieve your dream business, even on a lean budget. They have multi-level marketing experts that guide you using a comprehensive plan, giving you more freedom in the network marketing landscape. This is a top MLM company because you get a 25% discount off retail prices and commissions. This allows you to sell their products and earn more profits in 2022 and into 2023. 4. Neolife. This MLM company makes whole food nutrition products while helping people to succeed with startups. Take note, this is an important feature as most businesses fail within the first 18 months. The best part is that the bar is low when you join the network since they give you the means to ensure your success. They give you consumable products and a remarkable compensation plan. This ensures that you need not invest thousands of dollars to start with this top MLM company. 5. Norwex. Norwex specializes in microfiber, household, personal care, and family products. It is a great company to join as a beginner because of its positive reputation as an MLM company. Furthermore, their products enjoy a high degree of quality, meaning they are easier to sell for MLM success. When you make personal retail purchases, you will get a maximum of a 35% discount. When you join the Norwex program, know that the company funds it entirely after your first sale or recruit. This means you won't pay anything to join this leading network marketing business in 2023. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.